Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Paulette and I would love for you to become part of the Sweet Squad family by subscribing to my channel. So today I'm sharing how I make fried potato tacos. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So the ingredients you're going to be needing are 4 potatoes, corn tortillas, and optional ham. You're going to start by washing your potatoes, and then you're going to either steam them or boil them and peel them, and then you're going to mash them up. And then you're going to add 1/4 cup of milk, some salt and pepper to taste, and your chopped ham onto the mix. And you're just going to integrate everything and just mix it well until everything is incorporated. Set your stove to medium high and then just let the oil heat up. And meanwhile, you're going to heat up your tortillas in a paper napkin. And what I like to do is use paper napkin, wrap it up, and put it in the microwave for just 1 minute. And that should get your tortillas soft enough to fold them. So once your tortillas are heated, it is time to start prepping them. What I like to do is start prepping all of them, get them ready, put all the filling in, which is the potato that we just made. And just have it ready so that the frying process can be faster. And then I like to use my kitchen tongs to have them removed from the oil. It makes it easier, safer, and yeah. So once I put it in the oil, I let it sit for a minute on both sides, and then once it's golden crisp, I make sure that I get the excess oil, and then I place it on my paper napkin so that more oil can drip out. And that is so simple. And then you have your fried tacos ready for your toppings. For the toppings, I like to use homemade salsa, avocados, queso cotija, the kind of cheese I love, and lettuce, tomato, and Mexican sour cream. I like Mexican sour cream because the consistency is so like drippy and it is so delicious. Alright, so now the fun part starts, which is assembling your taco. You can assemble it however you like, and I'm going to share how I do it. I like to start off with my sour cream and then my salsa, and then a little bit of cotija. After that, I start putting my lettuce and my tomato, my avocado, and then I like to add extra salsa, extra cotija, and extra sour cream. But you can assemble it however you would like, but this is just the way I prefer it. It is just so tasty, so good. And that is it. That is so simple on how you can make your fried potato tacos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please share, like, and subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you do decide to make it, how you liked it. Let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more videos, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!